I don't know if Becky consciously did this, but the sun is over here, so as the majority of your class is watching, they're not facing the sun.
Right.
So that's just something to think about on your campus when you find
did that on purpose.
Good job, Becky.
Good job.
When you find a place to do this, when I did it at my school, we have a quad, and I took the PE like soccer liners, and I just put a big cornet plane in the middle of the school.
I do it with tape on my floor.
But there you go. Then you can tell kids, go stand on -2, 3 for 2 minutes. Think about what you've done, and then you can. Okay, are we good? Okay, so we're gonna start with red. So if you have a red card, please go stand on your X value. If you have a red card, please go stand on your X value.
So everybody should be standing on the X-axis.
I was gonna say, come in and dress so
Okay.
nicely. I'm like,
And
I
then-
don't need a match. I don't need to. I'm like,
So I'm gonna have you all face this way.
I'm like, where is she going?
Walk backwards. So go ahead and walk to your Y value.
oh, that's so cool.
Okay, what do we see?
A line.
A line. Okay, how would you describe this line?
It's kind of crooked.
Diagonal.
Going positive.
Quadrant 3 to quadrant 1.
Okay, quadrant 3 to quadrant 1.
Positive slope.
Positive slope. What do you makes you say it's a positive slope
Because
there?
it's going to the right. That's all I know. And
It's
all those
going to
numbers
the
are
right.
positive.
It doesn't.
It's increasing from left to right.
0, 0. It doesn't
Thank
go
you.
through the origin.
Okay.
Makes sense.
So 6th grade. You gotta help each other. You gotta help each other.
And a cute angle with the x-axis.
That's why it's really fun.
Awesome. Is there a unique point on this line?
Why?
Okay, so Alex, can you wave your hands in the air like you just don't care? Alex, what is your point?
0, 2.
0, 2. Okay.
Is that right?
0, 2.
That's an X-intercept.
Y-intercept.
Y no 0. Got it.
That is the way.
Yeah.
When X is 0,
Sorry,
what
Y,
is 0,
sorry.
Y?
You're good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else we can say about this graph?
Are you at?
So you're at 0, 2. Jessica, what are you at?
-1, -1.
Negative 1 there. Thank you.
So it's 3.
Yeah. Slope of 3.
Yeah, I'm -2, -4.
Right.
What was she?
You said 0, 2. I think there's a -1 or Yeah, negative.
Okay.
Slope of 3.
Tell me that.
Slope of positive 3.
Slope of positive 3.
Yeah.
Yes.
I guess
Okay.
I could have just looked at the paper.
Can you sketch that on your paper?
I worked harder. I just exercised my brain more.
You often.
Not smarter. You guys are yellow, right?
This is red.
Oh, the red.
Are we done?
Okay, great.
First,
Yes,
take
thank
this.
you.
Hold it 14 times. Come back to me when it's done.
All right, if you have a blue card, please stand on your X value.
Oh, there's 3 of them.
Blue.
I'm a fan, right? I thought he said. You go to the Y. I should have bought my one. I missed it. Y intercept was 2. L's was at 2. And then what?
So the other thing I would say to my students is for the red, pick an in value and then fill it out for the out value. So they would be doing some math. So for right now, if you're not standing on the graph, pick a value for in for blue. If you're standing on the coordinate plane, go ahead and walk to your Y value.
My finger just stays.
Okay, what do we see?
Steep line. It's a negative.
I heard a steep line.
Just literally. Facing from.
Steep line, what else do I hear?
A negative line.
Negative
Left
slope,
to
what
right.
makes it negative?
From left to right. Goes from left to right.
Okay, so let's look at the equations for a second. What was the equation for our first line?
3x
Positive 3.
3x plus 2, and the equation for our second line?
Negative 3x.
So what might account for the change in the direction?
the number in front of the x.
Okay, that's interesting. Is there a unique point on this line?
0, 0.
0, 0. Do we have somebody standing on 0, 0 for our other line?
No.
No. So what might account for that in our equations?
Plus 2.
Plus 2. Okay, great. Blue, thank you very much. Yellow, go ahead and stand on your x value.
Am I yellow?
You are yellow. And if you're not in yellow, go ahead and pick a value for your in.
But there's like no y value.
So every division is 1.
So no.
Thank you, Julie.
Oh, you're doing the y intercept, so go down.
Okay, thinking about what we just talked about, unique points on lines, where could we expect somebody to be standing on the y-axis? At 1. Okay, let's see. Go ahead and walk to your y value. Okay. What do we notice about this line that might be different from the ones before?
More compact.
So we have more points closer together? Okay. A slight increase with this line. Smaller slope.
Yep. Yeah, I'm the y-intercept.
Do we have somebody standing at 1 on y?
Yeah.
So your predictions were correct. Okay. What might account for the change in steepness if you look at the equation from the red to the equation of the yellow?
There's no coefficient in front of the x.
Okay.
Well, there is. There's a 1, but
Thank you for clarifying.
Coefficient of X.
All right,
Coefficient
green.
means in front.
Numerical coefficient.
smaller.
So as the green are going to go stand out on the X, I want you to compare the yellow equation with the green equation. What do we think is going to be different about the green line from the yellow line? So what is it? What's going to look different?
Lines are all
The direction. Okay, let's see if our prediction is correct. All right, go ahead and go to your Y values.
I was wondering why that line was like
One is right. Minus 6 plus 1. Someone is going to get 1. Someone else.
Which card is this?
Put your arms up, folks. Show us the line.
Green one?
That's wrong. Someone is wrong.
Okay, so what do we notice?
Share.
Is there, okay, so something, so that's one reason why this is a great activity. It's very visual. You can see automatically.
They don't be on the line here.
Sherry, you're in the wrong place.
1, 0, not 0, 1. Move over 1.
She's at 0, 0.
Is that 0, 0? Right here?
Does that look better?
Yes.
Great.
Are we missing? I didn't move. A point? A coordinate?
I mean, we're missing lots of points.
Well, from Sherry to Mark, are we missing? That wasn't fun. Just because the gap seems bigger.
Yes. So Mark, what's your X value? 3. And Sherry, what's your X value?
1. Okay.
So,
two.
hey Sarah, could you go place yourself where you think you might belong if you were X is 2?
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. Great. Okay, now if you all can face me real quick. Face this way, green graph, and I want you all to take one step towards us. One unit forward. Okay, what did we notice?
We shift the entire graph.
Okay, what changes?
The y-intercept.
What stays the same?
Slope.
Okay. Interesting. Great. Thank you very much. Green, let's have the orange people. stand on your X values.
What are the values? One for each division?
Let's have the orange
That's a very good point. Yes.
because I didn't have the same colors.
Oh.
So in my school has some.
That's a very good
You gotta
point.
be careful with it. Let's have the people who have
Oh my God. Green.
My science
font or
teacher did
something.
that in high school. So the experiment made black. Okay, all the black people.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
you
go
gotta
ahead
be
and walk to
careful.
your Y value.
Because even if you mean it innocently, there's gonna be some kids that are like,
It's a good point. Can you bring that up at the end when we talk about how to incorporate this into the class?
when we go back in there, right? Okay.
Okay, so take a look at this equation. What's different about this equation that's not like the rest?
Not a line.
Not a line. It's not a line. So what in your equation might account for the fact that it's not a line?
The exponent.
The square. Okay, how could we describe this? A parabola. What else can we say about this graph?
Positive. I don't know that much about parabola.
Okay, so it's positive. Is it positive?
Part of it.
It's going. How do we know
In
it's
a wide
positive?
positive direction. Smiling. It's opening up.
It's open up. Any other words that we can pull up? Oh, look at what is Lori? What is Lori?
Origin.
She's the origin. She's the
She's also the minimum.
She's the minimum.
Ooh, don't take that personally.
Standing here, I noticed something
Hey, Lori,
interesting
can you
about
do
my
this?
graph. What do you think from my viewpoint I noticed?
So if you were looked from Kate's perspective, what can you see?
Everybody's the same.
They're opposite.
What does that say about this type of graph?
Symmetrical. I like that word.
And what number are you at? What's
She's at
your Y
2.
coordinate?
3 and 9.
2? No, 9?
4.
She's
9, 3, 9.
she's
4,
3'9".
3, 9.
This one could be fun if you give a kid 6, that kid 6, and they say, "Where do I?" You just keep walking. 6 squared is where? Go find it. 6 squared. Keep going. Good. Okay. Human graph. I went much faster than I would have with kids because
It's hot.
It's hot. So, on our way back to the Casey, I want you to think about the grade level you teach and how you could modify this activity to work with your students. And we'll talk about that when we get inside. Becky, you want to do a power clap?
Oh yeah, let's do power clap on 3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Good job, graphers.
Graphers.
Human coordinates.
Yeah.
Taking the graph.
Every year it seems that the JV decides to do this. You want to talk about how you made it?
Pipe cleaners.